Hi, this is Rune from SlideHub. I'll show you some of the new features that we have deployed in the last month. So first thing is the search functionality that has been improved. So if I go into my inspiration slides here and I search for data, you can see that I get results from our company library. And the reason these results are shown first is because oftentimes these slides are ready to go. They're on brand. Very little adjustment is needed, but you also get results in the inspiration slides, of course. Vice versa, if I'm here and I'm building a 2x2 matrix, I go into our company library, and I know from the categories here, there's nothing that really shows anything like a matrix, so I can get some different results here. So you will see that we have results for inspiration slides, images. It could also be that you would find icons or illustrations depending on what you search for if there are no slides available. So we try to provide you with some sort of solution to what you're searching for, even though that might not be a slide. If I click on more here, let's see what we got. Click on insert, and I get a solution that I can then use to build my slide around. So now, even though we don't have a slide in the company library, I'm still getting somewhere where I can start to build my my slide here. Great. Next thing I'll cover are some manager features that you need admin access to access. And first thing is if you want to update multiple slides at a time. So let's say I want these three right here. If I just click on update all, these three slides will have the exact same categories here and the same subcategories. If I click on update one by one, I can go in and individually select these slides and say, this is perfectly fine. So the next one, I don't want that to be in corporate. So you can go in and do it on an individual level instead of using shared categories across all the slides. I can also provide a visual slide sticker here. So if I want to share slides, for example, you can see that it updates down here, and this could be an aid if you have very similar slides where you want the consultants to be able to distinguish between the different slides without having to use the hover over and zoom effect. That's why you can provide the visual slide sticker here. And speaking of the zoom effect we have, if I click on the plus here, now covers like almost the entire screen, so it's easier for me to see what's on the actual slide. Finally, we have added the opportunity to block certain slides in the inspiration library. So if you as a manager see some of the inspiration slides here and you feel they're just not really on brand, they're a bit too much outside of our style, I can click on select here, block selected. And now this is blocked in the inspiration slides for all of the users. So you can, for example, some 3D effects in some of the slides that you don't like, you can actually block those slides. I think one thing to keep in mind before going in and blocking too many slides and restricting access is typically you'll look for an alternative as a user. So if I don't have this inspiration slide, I'm going to try to build something on my own, which might be more time consuming, and I might still end up with something that's not perfectly on brand. So use it a bit with caution and use it when you think there's a better alternative, I would say. That's it for me in this update. If you have any feedback, just let me know, and we'll be happy to create some new features based on feedback. Thanks for your time.